Now, Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
As expected, rain returned to the region today, including in the Rogue Valley. It's been kind of on and off throughout the course of this Thursday. 58 degrees in Medford. The clouds and rain definitely having an impact on those temperatures. Much cooler today. It's 59 in Brookings, 50 degrees in Klamath Falls, 57 in Montague, but temperatures aloft still very mild. So we have very high snow levels in place, and that's going to be the trend at least through the weekend. So we're not concerned about snow even for our higher passes and really even for Crater Lake. This is mainly going to be rain events here at least through most of the weekend, and then next week it does look like snow levels could start coming down. Here's a look at rainfall totals so far today. A half an inch being picked up in Brookings, 1300ths in Medford, 7/100ths in Klamath Falls, but not much in Montague and Mount Shasta. But there are some showers that are now starting to work into the Shasta Valley, and eventually some showers will work through Mount Shasta as well as we head into this evening. And behind the main front that's working through the region, we're still going to have some lingering moisture, so there could still be some drizzle and shower activity overnight tonight across much of the region. Showers you can see working through Wairika, now starting to knock on the doorstep of McDowell as well as Doris, and some showers have been working through the Klamath Basin as well, mostly light stuff. Now as this system passes by, we're going to see things dry out by morning, but the next storm system off in the Pacific, this is heading our way, and it does have more moisture associated with it. So we do expect some heavier rain totals, at least for Curry, Josephine, and western Siskiyou County. The coast and coastal mountains looking to pick up some higher rainfall amounts with this next storm later tomorrow into Saturday. Tonight, in the meantime, lingering showers and drizzle, milder temperatures overall, especially for our west side valleys, down to 50 in Medford, 36 in Klamath Falls, and 41 in Mount Shasta. Your bus stop forecast in the Rogue Valley should be dry for the kids as they head off to school. Now, on the way home, the forecast models, some bring in some of that wet weather by mid-afternoon in the Rogue Valley. Others would hold off until the evening. At this point, there's at least a slight chance that we could see a shower as the kids come home later in the afternoon, but more than likely a better chance for rain, at least in the Rogue Valley, is going to be as we head into tomorrow evening, and just a slight chance for some showers on the east side late in the day, but mainly, especially on the east side tomorrow, that wet weather is going to push in as we head into tomorrow night. Rain looking likely for the coast. That will start to move in at least in the afternoon. Winds will pick up along the coast as well. Bit milder temperatures tomorrow. We'll get some breaks of sunshine in the mix as well for inland areas. So notice winds picking up into Saturday as this next storm system moves in. Some higher gusts into parts of the east side, Lake County especially. We could get gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So there has been a wind advisory that's been issued for portions of Klamath, Lake, and northeast Siskiyou County for that threat, that we could get gusts up to 50 miles per hour with winds out of the southwest. Here's a look at Stormcast as we go through tomorrow. A good chunk of the day will be dry, but late in the day on into the evening, here comes the rain. We will get some heavier rain to push in as we head into Saturday, especially near the coast. Taking a look at that flash flood watch that's been posted for the Smith River Complex burn scar. If you're traveling along Highway 199, you're going to need to be very cautious as we head into Saturday. That heavy rain could lead to the potential, at least a slight chance of some debris flows. Wet weather, we do expect some higher rainfall amounts from this system, but the highest totals will be for the coast and coastal mountains, 1 to 4 inches. And then notice this weekend, we do stay fairly mild. Snow levels will stay high, and those winds will be awfully gusty both Saturday and Sunday for many locations. Now, taking a look at the 7-day forecast for the coast, more rounds of rain through the weekend, some of it heavy at times. Northern California, wet weather expected as we head into Saturday, gusty winds, and we have another system we're going to be watching for Sunday into Monday. For the Klamath Basin, we will be looking at a cooling trend next week. Notice by Tuesday, Wednesday, highs in the 40s, maybe some snowflakes mixing in on Tuesday. The mountains, wet weather returns for this weekend. A very active stretch of weather right into early next week. Snow levels do look to start lowering into early next week. And then for the Rogue Valley, temperatures staying mild, but more rounds of rain expected to impact those weekend plans for both Saturday and Sunday.